Hi everybody, it's Kelly Holland, owner of Divinity Designs, and I'm here today to show you our brand new Blessings Box. Our Blessings Box is a membership subscription kit that will be released every 3 months. And today I'm showing you the first month, January, and we're going to see what's inside. So first of all, it comes in this cute box, and then we're going to open it up and show you what the contents for the month. First off is our dies. This one is the heart layering combo, and you get 4 dies, 1, 2, 3, and the last one here is the layering die that goes behind it. The shaker heart frame does just that. You can make a shaker with it. This is the top die, and this is the bottom die, and when you put them together, it makes a cute little shaker. You could also stamp inside that area, and we'll show you later on a few samples for that. Next up is the stamp set that's included. And by the way, I forgot to tell you, all these 3 items are exclusive. They're only available in the Blessings box and will not be available to the general public. This is the stamp set, and it's called Fill My Heart. And it is a clear set. And the heart in the set also coordinates with the shaker heart frame. So you can mat that, and you could die cut it and layer it on your card. Next up is the paper. First we have the metallic red, and you'll get 6 sheets of that. Let me show you that up close. This is the metallic. Next one up is the mirror sparkle red, and that is really pretty. Let me show you that one. That one's very sparkly. Next one is the pink mirror sparkle. That's very sparkly too. Let me show you that one up close. That one's my favorite. It's just so pretty. And finally, then we have 2 different kinds of window sheets. Window sheets are what you're going to use to make your shakers. We're going to have a thicker one and a thinner plastic. And you'll be able to die cut them. So, some machines won't be able to die cut as well, but Lisa will be going over instructions for that in her video, which does the demonstration and the tutorial on how to use all our products. So make sure you watch that one so you get more tips there. This is the paper pad we have. It's called the Sweethearts Collection, and it has 4 of each different paper in it. And I cover 1. We have this one 2. I love this one, this pink one. 3. This is the beautiful one that matches the layering heart combo die. This is a cute little bitty hearts. Everyone loves swirls. Swirls are great. And like we do in all our pads, we have solid color sheets. And why we do this is because oftentimes when you get a paper, it's very difficult to find cardstock to match. So in this way, a paper that matches it, so you can use it for layering, and everything coordinates and matches nicely. And I just love when everything matches, so that's why we do that. So that's the paper pad. Next thing is the sequins. So when you make your shakers, you need sequins to put in it. So I'm going to show you the sequins that come in the box. The first one is, they're little polymer clay hearts, and they're in 3 different colors, the pink, white, and the red. And they're just so cute. I just love those. Those are one of my favorites. Next one is the sparkly light pink. We have traditional red, really bright sparkly red. Those are really pretty. And then we have some iridescent. The iridescent are just so beautiful. I just love anything iridescent. And those are really, really nice. And last one is the glitter. It's a star glitter, and it's also iridescent. And that's really pretty. So you could use these separately, or you can mix and match them, and they're really pretty to mix different things in them. I'm going to show you a couple of those right now. This is a simple shaker frame. I just used the polymer clay hearts in there. Isn't that cute? Shake it. And then another thing we're going to get in the kit, I don't have the full package, but I just want to show you, you get 33 of these strips, and it's what you use to make your shaker heart frame. And it's when you want to put your shaker pieces together. I'll show you on the side. You use these and you wrap it around the heart. And again, Lisa will have instructions how to use those, but you'll get a full package in your kit, trust me. I just couldn't find my packaging for this one. And the last item in here is our brand new enamel pins that we're going to start putting in the kits. Every box will get a brand new pin. And this is our first one, our designer one with our logo on there. Isn't that cute? Enamel pins are all the rage right now, so you'll just, you'll have a new collection. You could start collecting these now. It's so fun. I'm going to show you a few card samples now using our products. This one I made with the little mixture of the red and the iridescent. Is that pretty? This one uses the clay hearts. This is another one using the shaker heart frame. Shake it there. This one I use an optional product that we're going to have in the store, and it's this iridescent little beads, and those are just so pretty. I had to show you those, and it's just a mixture of the papers on that card too, so those don't come in the kit, but they will be available in the store. Now I'm going to show you a couple samples using the heart layering combo. This first one I use with the Mirror Sparkle Pink, and of course the paper from the Sweethearts paper pad, and you could see how sharp, sparkly that is in there right there. But that's to show you the 3 different layers of the heart layering combo. This one I just kept it simple, and I just used all different white cardstock, but you could still see the layers, the 3 different layers on there. So pretty. The last one is just using the stamp. I just stamped it, and instead of just layering it with the background layering die, I also used the shaker heart frame just to kind of set it off a little bit. So you could do it either way. You don't have to put this top layer on here, but I do that on mine. So I'm going to show you the optional sequins right now. These will also be available in the store. We're going to have sequins in a sparkly white. These are really pretty. These are a bright pink. Those will be available in the store. This is more of a coral colored sequin. We're also going to carry these micro beads. This is fun to add to the shakers too. It's just a little bit of extra texture to your shakers, and that's the pink micro beads. We have red micro beads and the iridescent micro beads. And then these are those sparkly beads I was telling you about that was in the shaker heart frame. And lastly, these are like a rhinestone. They're an iridescent rhinestone, and you'll see Lisa has used some of these on her cards when you see the cards at the end of our video. Okay, now I'm just going to go over the shaker heart frame with you. These are the 2 dies on it. This is the top layer. This one's the bottom layer. And first, when you cut out your cardstock, this is the top and this is the bottom. And then you also want to use the bottom piece to cut out your window frame. I don't know if you can see in the video, and like I said, Lisa will have instructions how to cut that out. Then you'll sandwich them in the middle. You'll use your foam in between, and then this is how you'll be making your shaker. So that's that die. These are the dies that's in the heart layering combo. You can see there's 3 different dies, and each one, oops, got a couple of pieces stuck in that one, but each one of these cuts the layer smaller, and then the last one is even smaller. So when you layer them together, there'll be 3 different sizes, and this you can mat with it. This one's cut for matting. So the 3 different pieces, you can see the white and the pink and the red. And then if you want, you could add this one on the bottom. Or you could even turn this into a shaker, which is fun too. So there you go. There you have it. That's our first blessings box for January 2020. Let me know how I did. I think it's my first video ever. So send me an email. Give me your suggestions or comments on what we can do to improve. If you have any ideas for future products, I'd love to hear them. My email is Kelley, it's Kelley, at DivinityDesignsLLC.com. Have a great day and blessings to you.